Hi, hello, welcome back. So, Tanya here. Today, I'm going to tell you about a training program which we are planning exclusively for life science graduate at a very minimal cost. And the training program will be for 30 days. Within this 30 days, you will be getting a complete package of training along with placement also in a reputed company. So in the description I'll add up like what all graduates are eligible for this training program, and in this training program we have nearly 2 hours. Every day we'll be having 2 hours, and we are taking only minimal number of candidates because requirement is more, but I have to see how this trial is going, and the fees which we are planning here is very less. Like when you go outside and if you are joining with the training academy and if you are studying for basic as well as for advanced medical coding, you will be paying around 15 to 18,000 for just training alone. Then it will be more than 10,000 anyways, but here we are giving this training program only for 30 candidates, 30 candidates, okay, and the training fees which we have planned here is 3,500, and in this 3,500 you will be getting the complete training as well as certificate along with placement support. Okay, so these are the things which we are providing for this 3,500, and don't think like we are paying just a small amount so they won't teach, nothing like that. In this 3,500 you will be learning everything like ICD guidelines, anatomy, ACPT modifiers, everything will be taught. As a beginner to start your medical coding career, what all things are required, everything will be taught. And since it's a minimal cost, we can't give you the hard copy, so study materials, everything, soft copies will be provided, and the batch requirement is 30 numbers. Okay, so we are starting with this 30 numbers, and we will see like how successfully the batch is getting completed as well as how they are getting placed. After the training and placement, we will be posting about the testimonials of the candidates. So for starting this batch, we are planning 3 batches, 10 candidate per batch. So totally 3 batches will be there, and we are planning to start this batch on April 14th. Okay, April 14th is the starting date. So if any of you willing to join, you can just ping me in the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number will be given in the description. That is 81481999269. Okay, so in this you can tell me, like you can text us regarding I am willing to join the training program, so that everything, all the details will be shared for you through WhatsApp. And one more thing, you can refer your friends also, so that they will also get benefited. So a batch will be with 10 students, so totally 3 batches will be there, and the 3 batches of 30 students. Okay, so we are planning to start this, and I'll tell you like what all things you will be learning in this. You will be learning anatomy as well as ICD-10 guidelines. Totally 21 chapters will be there for 2024, and we will be helping you like how to pick up codes for all the chapters, how to imply the guidelines, everything will be taught in this, as well as interview guidance, mock interviews, everything will be conducted, and placement support will be given from our side. So this is what we are planning for the batch. So the fees is exclusive for this 30 students, that is only 3,500, nothing more than that. So please enroll fast, and if you know any of your friends willing to learn this also, you can refer them, you can share this video to them. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, and I have added a number of playlists for regarding interview questions and everything. You can go through that also. Thank you so much for watching my video. Enroll fast. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.